Hey guys, I'm Jennifer. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this makeup look. This is a festive, subtly glossy makeup tutorial, and this is appropriate for the for the upcoming festival, that is Diwali. This is perfect for beginners and have used affordable products as well. So before getting into the video, I just want all of you to click that subscribe button and also press that notification bell on so that you guys will be notified whenever I post another video. So without wasting our further time, let's dive right into the video. I have already prepped my face. Now for primer, I'll be using the Blue Heaven Makeup Primer. This is a very beautiful silicone based primer that gives a flawless base for your makeup. Now I'm going to prime my face very well. Now the next step, I'm going to take the Purplle concealer palette in the shade Special Agent 3. I'm taking the red color from it and I'm going to hide all of my hyperpigmentation from this palette, and then I'm going to blend it out really very well to get a flawless base. Foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline Superstay 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 334, which is Warm Sun, and I'm going to dot the foundation all over my face. Then I'm going to take the Beauty Blender from PAC Cosmetics and I'm going to blend in the foundation very gently. Remember not to rub your foundation, but use a blender in dabbing motion to get a flawless base. Now I'm going to take PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Spiced Sand, and I'm going to draw strokes of line at the perimeters of my face, and I'm going to blend it with the same beauty blender. Now this acts as a highlighting and giving that extra dimension for my face, giving a flawless mattifying effect. I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder in the shade 330, and I'm going to set my face by using this compact powder. This is a very beautiful, affordable compact powder and gives really very good mattifying effect on your skin. I'm going to take the Mars Precision Eyebrow Pencil and I'm going to fill all the sparse areas of my eyebrows, and I'm going to get it in a proper dimension because defined eyebrows is very important for all types of outfits that you're going to wear. Once after filling my brows, I'm going to take the Hilera Rhoda eyeshadow palette and I'm going to take a dark, deep burgundy red color, and then I'm going to fill in my eyelids with that color. Then I'm going to take another red, a deep red, and I am going to fill in as my transition color in my outer transition area. Remember to blend the colors really very well. Now I'm going to take the Maybelline Colossal EyeLinear in the shade Black and I'm going to draw thin line. I'm not going to do any sort of a wing liner. Then I'm going to take the Maybelline Colossal Mascara in the waterproof variant and I'm going to coat upper and my lower lashes. Then I'm going to take the Colorbar lipstick in the shade Bear, and this is a very beautiful brick red color and appropriate for the festive season to glow up your festive mood, and it is really very beautiful for all skin tones people. Now I need little extra sort of a setting, so I'm going to take the same compact powder and I'm going to set my face. Now for blush, I'll be using the Stay Quirky Double Date blush in the shade 3AA. It is a very beautiful peachy blush. Now for highlighting my face, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Golden, and I'm going to highlight my highest perimeters of my face, Cupid's bow and my chin. So I just finished my entire look. I just wore these jewelries and then as usual a messy bun, and this completes the entire look. This is very soft, subtle and beautiful on the skin as well. It looks elegant as well. So yes, if you all felt this video, please don't forget to comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press that notification bell on. Until then, see you all in the next video. Bye.